Are there any more questions? Denise Cassini? If not, as Paoli and Sayoli has reiterated,
does the press secretary have a question?
Okay, as both Paoli and Sayoli have iterated, SNPF is at the forefront of their digital transformation, their digital journey. We are very happy as Digicel to be a partner and to provide the solutions that they require to achieve their digital KPIs, their digital goals. They came to us with two things in mind, as Sayuli has alluded to: simplicity and accessibility, which I think we have achieved with today's partnership. So in ending, we will now have a quick photo op with the CEO for SNPF as well as the CEO for Digicel Samoa, and then we will end our press conference in Paolo and Faftai.
Yeah. Vai faccio numero. Digicel team. Digicel team. More. Okay. Oh, Marco.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Walk. 1, 2, 3.
Just start, just one, I'll go back here. 1, 2, that's 3. One more. Thank you.
So each side of the
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.